ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਦ ਗੁਰਲੀਨ ਕੌਰ ਸ਼ੋ। ਮੈਂ ਹਾਂ ਗੁਰਲੀਨ ਕੌਰ ਤੇ ਹਰ ਵਾਰ ਦੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਇਸ ਵਾਰ ਵੀ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲ ਗੈਸਟ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ। ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਗੈਸਟ ਅੱਜ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਬੈਠੇ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਇੱਕ ਆਮ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੇ, ਉਹ ਇੱਕ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲ ਕਿਡ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ। ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਉਹ ਇੰਡਸਟਰੀ ਨੂੰ ਹੀ ਬਿਲੋਂਗ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਫਾਦਰ ਵੀ ਇਸ ਇੰਡਸਟਰੀ ਦੇ ਬੜੀ ਦੇਰ ਤੋਂ ਦਿੱਗਜ ਰਹਿ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਨੇ। ਮੈਂ ਇੰਟਰੋਡਿਊਸ ਕਰਾਂ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਸੁਣਨੇ ਨੇ।
ਕਿਨੂੰ ਕਾਲੇ ਰੰਗ ਦੇ ਮੈਂ ਸੂਟ ਦਵਾਉਂਗਾ, ਉਹ ਤੇਰੇ ਬਿਨਾ ਕਿਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਕਲੱਬ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਊਂਗਾ। ਜੇ ਤੂੰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਛੱਡ ਗਈ ਨੀ ਮਰ ਜਾਣੀਏ, ਉਹ ਮੇਰੇ ਹੱਥਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਦੱਸ ਕਿਨੂੰ ਰੋਟੀਆਂ ਖਵਾਉਂਗਾ, ਰੋਟੀਆਂ ਖਵਾਉ ਕਿਨੂੰ ਰੋਟੀਆਂ। ਬੇਬੀ ਡੋਂਟ ਡਿਚ ਮੀ, ਤੈਨੂੰ ਤੱਕ ਮਿੱਤਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਸਾਹ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਹੋ। ਬੇਬੀ ਡੋਂਟ ਡਿਚ ਮੀ, ਤੈਨੂੰ ਤੱਕ ਮਿੱਤਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਸਾਹ ਚੱਲਦੇ।
ਸੋ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੁਣੀ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਬੇਸਿਕਲੀ ਹਨੀਜੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਦੀ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ। ਐਂਡ ਵੈਲਕਮ ਟੂ ਦ ਸ਼ੋ ਹਨੀ ਜੀ। ਐਂਡ ਬਹੁਤ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਗਾਇਆ ਤੁਸੀਂ, ਵੈਰੀ ਬਿਊਟੀਫੁਲ। ਐਂਡ ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਨਾਟ ਵੈਰੀ ਕਾਮਨ ਟੂ ਹੀਅਰ ਸਟਾਰ ਕਿਡਸ ਸਿੰਗਿੰਗ ਸੋ ਵੈਲ। ਸੋ ਹਾਊ ਆਰ ਯੂ ਅ ਸਟਾਰ ਕਿਡ? ਦੱਸੋ ਜਰਾ, ਕਿਹੜੇ ਸਟਾਰ ਦੇ, ਕਿਹੜੇ ਸਿਤਾਰੇ ਦੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਨ ਹੈਗੇ ਹੋ?
I'm blessed ki my father is Mr. Ashok Masti.
Yay! The glassy man.
The glassy man, Kadke glassy fame. And even I'm blessed that my mom is a classical singer.
And nobody know about it. I mean, you'd be surprised to know कि ना दे mother कौन है.
My mom is, her stage name is Alia Ajmani. She's been singing in Punjabi movies as well.
अच्छा.
Lately ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਗਾਣਾ ਆਇਆ ਸੀ Stupid 7.
Okay.
ਇੱਕ ਪਾਲੀ ਭੁਪਿੰਦਰ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਸ਼ੂਟ ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀ ਮੂਵੀ।
ਤੇ ਸੋ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਿੰਗਿੰਗ ਦੀ ਪ੍ਰੇਰਣਾ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਮਿਲੀ ਸੀ? ਇਟਸ ਅ ਵੈਰੀ ਕਿਸਾ ਪਿੱਟਾ ਸਵਾਲ, ਬਟ ਵੀ ਰੀਲੀ ਵਾਂਟ ਟੂ ਨੋ who inspired you.
So inspiring to I've been seeing it from my childhood, I'll say. So obviously my mom, dad, both of them, especially my mom.
अच्छा.
My mom अगर कुछ भी बेसुरा कुछ भी अजय भी
अच्छा,
even she's in, working in the kitchen, she'll be like, नहीं ये तूने गलत गाया भाई, इसको फिर से गा, नहीं तो इसकी तैयारी कर, उसके बाद ही you have to sing, नहीं तो you don't, नहीं तो छोड़ दो।
and ਆਮ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੁਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਪੱਕੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਲੋਕੀ, ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਬਲੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਮਝ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੁਰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ। ਹੁਣ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਹੈ,
ਹੁਣ ਸੱਚੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਹੈ। plus I'm still learning ਮੇਰੇ I would say ਮੇਰੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਨੇ।
ਗੁਰੂ ਕਿਹਨੂੰ ਧਾਰਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਤੁਸੀਂ?
ਅਬਦੁਲ ਅਜ਼ੀਜ਼ ਖਾਨ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੇ।
ਅੱਛਾ।
ਬੜੇ ਗੁਲਾਮ ਅਲੀ ਖਾਨ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੇ ਗ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਸਨ ਨੇ।
ਓਕੇ।
ਤੇ
ਲਵਲੀ। ਐਂਡ ਇਹ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਬਣਵਾਈ ਤੁਸੀਂ? ਚਲੋ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ observe ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀ।
ਸੋ ਨਹੀਂ ਏਦਾਂ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ। I was in Delhi. I was with my mom. So ever since I wanted to look different apart from everyone. I want to look सबसे अलग, I want to look सबसे outstanding. Whether it is my singing, whether it is my dance, whether it is my looks, I want to look different. So, yeah.
But earlier you had this long hair and all that. So then you cut your hair again.
Yeah,
so oh, cut karan di suggestion kinne ditti sigi?
That was for a video.
Okay.
That was for this video, Baby Don't Ditch Me.
Acha.
Us to pehla I was doing something in my acting course.
Acha, okay.
Yeah,
okay. So you're a trained actor.
I'm a trained actor from Anupam Kher Active Repairs, Mumbai.
Kinna time spend kita tusi?
I was there for almost 5 months.
For 5 months, you've been learning how to act. So
still learning.
You're still learning.
Still learning.
So do you want to be an actor? Do you want to be a singer? Do you want to be a performer?
Ma'am, I would say my main forte is singing.
Right.
Plus, acting is something like that ki, it's your skill enhancement. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੈਮਰਾ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਫੇਸ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਲਾਈਟਸ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਚੱਕਣੀਆਂ ਨੇ। people are like, अरे नहीं यार भाई मैं थोड़ी उठाऊंगा, ये भाई जो हमारे पीछे जो खड़े हैं जो शूट कर रहे हैं, ये सबसे that's the most toughest thing I would say. And that's the best part, that's the best thing artist should learn.
बिल्कुल। अच्छा, ए सट लगी सी
ए
मत्थे ते?
Yeah, I was I think 3 or 4 and I fell on a brick.
You fell on a brick?
I was playing.
You're a notorious kid?
That's what my mom says, I don't know.
ਅੱਛਾ, ਕਿਹੜੀ ਸ਼ੈਤਾਨੀ ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਕੁੱਟ ਪਈ ਸੀ?
ਸ਼ੈਤਾਨੀ ਤਾਂ ਏਦਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੁਝ ਹੈਗਾ ਸ਼ੈਤਾਨੀ, but yeah, obviously I would say I was in grade 2 ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਸਕੂਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਣਾ ਸੀ।
You didn't want to go to school? ਅੱਛਾ।
ਤੇ my mom was like कि भाई please get up, you have to go. And dad was sleeping. And मैं पूरे वर्ल्ड में अपने सिर्फ डैड से, ऑब्वियसली मॉम से भी डरता हूँ, बट डैड से बहुत ज्यादा ओवरली डरता हूँ।
Oh really?
Yeah.
His personality doesn't say that.
No, obviously he's not कि भाई नहीं तो को मार दूंगा या ऐसा कुछ, but
like रोब होता ना पापा वाला।
he just gives one look and then I'm like कि भाई निकल जाओ यहाँ से. So I didn't want to go to school. Plus कुछ शरारत की थी मैं मॉम नाल ते.
And you don't want to tell it on camera.
I shouldn't.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, I was
But otherwise you were a good kid?
always.
Always a good kid. I'll ask your mom behind the
Sure,
camera.
sure.
ਅੱਛਾ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਵੈਸੇ ਬੌਂਡਿੰਗ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਕਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੈ ਮਦਰ ਨਾਲ ਫਾਦਰ ਨਾਲ what kind of bonding do you share with them?
Both of them, but I would say on camera. इसमें no hard feelings. मेरी माँ थे मेरे डैडी ने. Plus my mom is like my 24/7 supporter. I would say 24/7. मतलब कुछ भी होता है यार मतलब शी इज लाइक माय सिस्टर. मैं बोलता हूँ यार तू मेरी बहन नहीं है करना यार भाई यार ये तो कर.
You have a sibling?
No. I'm a single child, but yeah, I have a beagle, American beagle.
Achha,
His name is Pogo.
Okay.
So yeah, he's my younger brother.
So that means you loved watching cartoons?
Oh, I do. I still do.
You still do?
Yeah.
Who's your like favorite character?
I wouldn't say na favorite one te utte ladai ho jani ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ. I still watch Jetsons on YouTube now. That's not available.
That's rare.
It's very rare. Jetsons ਦੇਖਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਤੇ
Right.
Oswald ਕਦੇ
I know. ਇਹ ਤੇ ਕਾਰਟੂਨ ਆਂਦੇ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਨਾ
ਹੁਣ
ਹੁਣ
ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਬਟ ਯਾ ਮੈਂ ਲੱਭ ਲੈਣਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ.
like okay fine so ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆਰਟਿਸਟ ਹੈਗਾ
ਜੀ.
the artist inside you what kind of a crazy thing were you as an artist when you were growing up what kind of things did you do ਕੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਨਾ ਸ਼ੌਂਕ ਮੈਂ ਬਾਥਰੂਮ ਸਿੰਗਰ ਸੀਗਾ ਜਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਦੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਟੇਪ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਔਰ ਸਟਫ ਲਾਈਕ ਦੈਟ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਆਰਟਿਸਟ ਕੀ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਖੁਰਾਫਾਤ
ਮੈਂ ਹੁਣੇ ਵੀ ਉਹੀ ਕਰਦਾ ਹਾਂ. ਮੈਂ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਏ ਕਿ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ I won't say best, the biggest artist, biggest to like कोई भी किसी भी artist का कितने भी show हो रहा है मैं I just take my cap, I just put on my mask, then I just go there. I want to since if they're performing at 10 p.m. तो मैं उठे I'm there by 6 p.m.
and this is
क्योंकि
you're talking about Delhi right
anywhere
okay.
Delhi, Chandigarh, Mumbai,
Achha, okay.
anywhere in the world.
अच्छा
I even fly. I take my ticket. I just fly. So that is the most important thing to learn because मैं ਉਹ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਆਪਣਾ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਸਾਊਂਡ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ.
So as a performer what have you picked up from these guys?
As a performer I would say I've picked everything from my dad. How to interact, how to talk, how
you do have a look also from your dad, you know, the eyes or something. Probably there's a flash of your dad when I see you. Okay, fine, yeah. Or ki.
Or lot of things, you know.
Okay, so was there a word of precaution when you're, I mean, you know, ek hunda na cautionary advice. Industries ja rahe hain, putter, this is something that you have to take care of.
Obviously, my mom, dad, they keep telling me every day. We have a discussion कि यार कदे भी करे ये गल नहीं हुंदी कि उन्हें एक माड़ा गाया.
Yeah.
ये नहीं कि क्योंकि साढ़े घर चाहे नहीं कि भाई ये जिन्हें एक गल करनी है प्लीज गो आउटसाइड अपना मजे करके आओ उसके बाद you can enter the house.
So you're not judgmental at all.
Shouldn't be.
No gossips.
Not at all.
You don't talk about people.
I don't want to.
I don't believe it.
I just want to talk about how am I looking, how's my music growing.
Okay.
That's the most important thing.
That's the most shoot that you've said on camera. Till now.
I don't. You can ask anybody. I don't lie
I don't
at all.
believe it that ਤੁਸੀਂ gossip ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਜਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਤੇ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ
मैं gossip करता फिर मैं इंडस्ट्री ਦੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦਾ.
Now you're talking. Okay, but then you know gossip is also another way of expressing yourself, especially to your family. I think bonding time family ਤਦੋਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਬਾਰੇ gossip ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, especially the ਪੰਜਾਬੀ family.
Ma'am, I would say ਸਾਡੇ ਘਰ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਡਿਸਕਸ਼ਨ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਕੋਈ ਨਵਾਂ ਗਾਣਾ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਜਾਂ ਪੁਰਾਣਾ ਗਾਣੇ ਦੀ ਪ੍ਰੈਕਟਿਸ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਮੋਸਟਲੀ ਮੈਂ ਹੀ ਪੰਗੇ ਲੈਂਦਾ ਕਿ ਯਾਰ ਉਹ कैसे होगा वो कैसे गाया है ਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਇਦਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਫਿਰ ਘੁੰਮ ਫਿਰ ਕੇ ਸਿੱਧਾ ਕਾਲ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਮਮ ਨੂੰ ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਆਈ ਊਡ ਸੇ ਮਾਈ ਮਮ ਮੇਰੇ ਡੈਡ ਐਂਡ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੋਂ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਸ਼ੀ ਇਜ਼ ਬੀਨ ਯੂ نو the best I would say in singing. Lovely. In music as well because she just sings ऐसे कुछ भी you give her a line you give her a word she'll just sing and हम बस सोच रहे थे बे यार मैं कैसे गाऊंगा या मैं जितना वो जगजीत जी का गाना एक कोई फरियाद हर मुलाकात पे महसूस यही होता है ते अब she's a Jagjit ji fan.
I agree.
She has a tattoo and you know मतलब after I would say Vinod Saigal ji she's the only one who's been well trained by Jagjit ji.
Lovely. Okay.
तो
That's news.
मैं जब उनसे पूछता हूँ यार ये कैसे गाए हैं, ये मैंने तो अभी भी खराब ही गाया है, तो दिस इज लाइक कि भाई इसको पहले सुनो, अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज ही ट्राइंग टू से,
महसूस करो.
या महसूस कर, फील इट,
Yeah.
because if you don't feel it you won't be able to sing anything.
Totally. So, Hani ji, whenever you're growing up, so
जी.
there's always a tune that you like to sing throughout
जी.
your growing up journey. So, thodi favorite tune kedi si?
My favorite tune was Sayoni.
That was a very good song. Yeah.
चैन एक पल नहीं और कोई हल नहीं, सयोनी.
Lovely.
I was like यही चलते रहो.
I know, है ना? It was another zone.
हाँ जी, for sure.
घूमते hunde si
Yeah,
and all
yes,
that,
yes.
you know.
And I used to keep my head like this in the video.
Roomy. So, अच्छा उस time पे when you were growing up, you
जी.
know, पहले तो मैंने ये दसो थोड़ी education कितने दी हुई है?
I've studied in Delhi.
Okay.
And I've studied in Mumbai as well.
अच्छा.
Schooling half Mumbai, half Delhi. College full-fledged Delhi.
Full-fledged Delhi.
जी.
So you're a Delhi da chora.
Good chora, I would
Good
say.
chora. अच्छा Delhi ਦੀ ਇੱਕ vibe ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ Delhi
ਜੀ,
ਵਾਲਿਆਂ ਦੇ
ਜੀ,
ਵਿੱਚ ਨਾ,
ਬਿਲਕੁਲ.
you know, that thing they've got this swag or whatever, I don't know, but ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਇਹ ਸੁਣਨ ਚ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਕਿ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਵਾਲੇ ਤੇਜ਼ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤੇਜ਼ ਹੋ?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, सब झूठ है ये. ऐसा I would say कि भैया please do not listen to the rumors.
अच्छा.
ये सब कुछ झूठ है.
Okay, so वैसे what is that Delhi thing in you that defines you as a Delhiite?
You should tell me that.
I don't know, but you tell me, no? This is something that makes you like a Delhiite. Like you're not a Mumbaiker, you're a Delhiite. You're not a Chandigarh, you're not a Punjabi, but you're a Delhiite.
I'm a Punjabi, but
You know what I
not-
mean.
उनमें ना I would say कि हम में नहीं, I would say उनमें for in Delhiites कि अपना they're in their own zone. They just don't want to bother anybody. या तो अरे नहीं यार मेरे को पहले मेरा काम करके दे या तेरा काम करके दे. नहीं भाई ठीक है, take your time, do your work, then can you do it for me, or will it, like, is it possible? And yeah,
So what is your favorite chill out place in Delhi?
loads of them. I go to Big Chill, I go to Khan Market. In Khan Market I go to the Big Chill Cake Factory, I would say. Yeah,
You're a bakery lover?
I love it.
Okay.
But abhi I'm not eating at all.
You're in a diet?
Not diet, but yeah, I want to be fit, just like my father, I would say. Because he's a fitness enthusiast, I would say.
Really?
Yeah.
Lovely. With all those years, and you know, he has to put up that little bit of effort to
Ji,
stay.
I go to GK1 M Block,
Okay.
I would say.
Hmm.
So yeah, 2-3 best places, I would say.
And how about Mumbai? ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉੱਥੇ acting training ਲਿੱਤੀ ਹੈ, right?
हाँ जी.
So how is survival over there? ਮੈਂ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਬੜਾ ਔਖਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ to survive in Mumbai.
ਉਹਨਾਂ ਲਈ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਯਾਰ यहाँ क्या ही होगा, यहाँ पे you know when you get everything on your plate, कि ਉੱਥੇ जाके you have to keep everything on your plate. That's a very different thing.
So for you it was easy?
No.
Not at all.
Not at all.
Okay. What was your biggest
My
struggle?
parents were like, see, this word, struggle. Struggle is not a word in our
Okay.
dictionary, in my dictionary, in my parents' dictionary, I would say. Just work hard every day, I would say. As I said, कि Mumbai gives it. You have to, you know, devote your time. You have to devote yourself to that city. जो मिल रहा है क्योंकि काम से काम ही मिलता है. So you have to be there. Wait for your time. Wait for the right time, I would say.
Have you ever used your father's references to get work in Mumbai?
No, not at all.
Never?
Nope.
So tomorrow, if you have to get married, does your mom say कि तू बंगाल
नहीं,
नाली विवाह करी?
They say, भैया, first things first. It is your call. You want to get married or not?
अच्छा ये भी है?
हाँ.
Okay.
He won't ever say कि भैया you have to get married to her. You should not marry her.
So if tomorrow
It is your
somebody
headache.
has to search a girl for
हाँ
you,
जी.
then what kind of a girl do you want?
See what my mom says. My mom says कि अपने ही not level, I would say, अपने ही उसकी profession की you should find.
अच्छा, you should find the same profession?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because mental level बहुत मिलना जरूरी है. Understanding बहुत ज़्यादा जरूरी है. किसी भी professionally, not for mine. So yeah, she's like कि भैया, it is your call. We won't say कि अभी कर लो इसी वक्त, नहीं.
ऐसी वैसी सुंदर साड़ी वाली सूट वाली.
She should understand my work. That's the most important thing.
है ना? Should be a
Because-
friend first.
Should be my friend first. My best friend should, approve her.
अच्छा, who's your best friend?
Her name is Monica,
Okay.
and she's my, I would say, world's bestest friend. I would say,
अच्छा.
Yeah.
And is she like what? She's a family friend. She's a cousin.
She's my family friend.
She's a
Yeah.
family.
So मतलब she's like a daughter to my mom.
Yeah.
And कदे भी कुछ भी आंदा है शॉप ते ओदे लिए जरूर आंदा है.
Nice.
So she's like my one call sport. I just call her यार
Nice.
करके दे भाई हो नहीं रहा. So yeah.
So do you ever miss a sibling in your life?
No, not really. I don't.
You're pampered equally
Uh,
for all the kids in the world.
yeah, you can say pampered. Yeah,
You're a pampered kid.
I would say yes and no both.
Okay. Did you ever see a low time in your father's life or in your parents' life wherein you were like things are not going as expected? You know, इन्हें shows नहीं मिल रहे, market बंद हुई हुई है, yeah, something. You know, there is a time in an artist's life जो लोग कहते हैं यार औखा हो रहा है थोड़ा जा. So did you see a low point?
That's how I think that is life. And that's the best thing for an artist to to know him or herself and to take out your best things.
So what did you learn from that phase?
Just keep working. Never ही मतलब कभी भी ऐसा नहीं होया कि यार shit वो crap कि वो नहीं यार ये नहीं हो रहा उधर वो भी करना ही सब होगा. Just keep working hard.
And I also know that you cook.
Yeah, I do. I do.
You
Honestly,
enjoy
I do.
cooking?
I love cooking. You know, whenever I'm cooking, I just play jazz music, and I don't want anybody in.
तो किस तरह दी dishes बनाने हो तुसी?
I love Italian food. I try to cook Italian.
So what is the best that you've made so far?
Loads of things. But I tried mixed sauce pasta for me.
Okay.
And that was Pogo's
Okay.
alarm.
Okay.
So yeah, I tried to cook.
White sauce pasta?
That's my favorite, but I don't eat anymore.
Okay, why? Oh, because of your
Nah, ऐसा I've made my body कि मैं कुछ भी खा
सकता. But then workout, guilt-free workout is the best thing to do, है ना? Right. So I wanted to actually ask you your recipe for the white sauce pasta, but I think we're going to exaggerate that now. But
I'll tell you. I'll tell you later.
Okay, fine. Are you a bookworm?
Yeah, I do. I do read. Even my mom reads.
So who's your favorite author?
I don't read that often, honestly. I won't lie, but I've been reading Chetan Bhagat.
Okay.
Yeah, I like his books.
So on a personal level, that man's been facing a lot of controversies. Do you have to say something about that?
Nothing at all.
Stay away from controversy.
Nothing at all. But ठीक है, that's what I said. That is life. You know, you should face everything.
Right.
Whether it is a low phase of life, whether it is a high phase of life, whether it is nobody is, ठीक है.
And on a styling front, who's your styling favorite? Like, who's your personal style icon whom you follow? Okay, yaar, ace bande da.
Honestly, I don't follow anybody for my styling or for my looks.
Whose styling do you like?
No one.
Why?
मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि no one's.
Like you could name Urfi Javed. She's trending.
मतलब वो ठीक है. Urfi is like वो अपनी जगह पे she's doing great.
Yeah.
But styling के लिए I honestly I don't follow any of the Indian people.
We would say Hollywood.
Hollywood में I've been following not Justin Bieber at all. Not, I said
Okay.
not. I follow Jaden Smith. I've been following Drake from a long time. I like his style.
It's more comfort.
Yeah, I would say and I don't follow कि भाई मेरे को उसी की तरह कपड़े पहनने हैं या उसी की तरह. As I said in the beginning, I just want to look outstanding. सबसे अलग दिखना है मेरे को.
Okay. So what's the most expensive thing that you have?
The most expensive thing in my life or in my
Something
wardrobe, I would say.
In your wardrobe.
In my wardrobe.
No, not in. I know you're going to say, "Oh, my parents."
The
No.
most expensive thing I have in my life is my music.
Okay.
Then my parents, I would say.
Okay.
And in my wardrobe, I don't I don't think I want to buy LV or I want to buy कहीं से भी कुछ भी I pick.
You are street shopper.
Yeah, for sure. When I was shooting for Baby Don't Ditch Me, my director called me. He was like कि पाजी आपको कैसे बाल रखने हैं यार तुसी तो बाल लंबे ने तुसी कितना मैंने कहा मैं तो सीधा कहा पाजी गंजा कर दो. नहीं honestly he took a pause for 2 minutes. like कि पाजी आप क्या कर रहे हो. मैंने कहा भाई I want to look different. Can you? He was like तुसी पहुंचो अपने हेडड्रेसर पे मैं उन्हें कॉल कर रहे हैं. You'll get a new look.
Nice. So after Baby Don't Ditch Me, what's the other things that are coming up? except for that surprise that you said.
Yeah, so I've got a couple of songs with B Prak Jani Paji as well.
Acha, lovely. Okay.
The try will be coming soon.
Hmm.
So I've got some big collaborations lined up in Punjab industry and from Bollywood as well.
Okay.
So yeah, some good and soulful music, I would say.
Is approaching labels easy for you?
I try to approach labels as Honeyjeet Singh, apart from Mr. Ashok Masti's son, because that's the most, I try. I love that. I love that hard work, not struggle.
Not struggle.
Hashtag struggle, your word. I like that, कि वहाँ जा रहे हैं, वहाँ wait कर रहे हैं. I love that, because तभी you get to know where are you standing. Are you even that capable of standing there, or you? Because I think कि currently I'm not that कि मैं जाऊं और बोलूं कि भैया प्लीज ये गाना कर दो. I've not done anything great in my life yet, but even if I do that, I'll still wait for my time, for that call to come.
Okay. So is Honeyjeet signed with the label?
Not yet.
Not yet. Do you?
I'm not signed anywhere.
Okay. So do you want to sign yourself with the label?
Let's see what the label is doing and how.
Because these days a lot of singers are actually bringing up their own channels and they're monetizing through ABC agencies.
Haan ji.
So would you want to go the same pattern, or you want to get signed with the label?
I'm open for anything, I would say.
Okay, as long as you get benefit out of it.
Yeah. Everyone should get benefit, not me, even the label. उन्होंने कुछ दिखेगा तभी तक they'll sign me.
Fine. On that note, I would like to say thank you for talking to us.
Thank you so very much.
And coming here, and it was a pleasure talking to you.
Likewise, ma'am.
And thank you so much ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਡੀ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਸੁਣੀ and the Gurleen Kaur show ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ tuned in ਰਹੇ. And Honeyjeet, you've been, I mean, my wishes to you. Why? Because one, you're a debutant. Two, you're a star son, and we've been following your father's work as well. Though I know you don't like to be called like that, but all in all, best wishes to you.
Thank you so much.
And I wish to see more of you on our show.
For sure. Keep watching the Gurleen Kaur show.
Thank you very much.
सबसे ज़्यादा likes, views and sharing होनी चाहिए.
Thank you very much.
और tag ज़रूर करना.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you
God
so much.
bless you. See more of you. And ਹੋਰ ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਾਂਦੀ ਰਵਾਂਗੀ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਤੇ ਨਾ ਜਾਇਓ, ਦੇਖਦੇ ਰਹੋ ਕੈਨ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਤੇ The Gurleen Kaur Show. ਮੈਂ ਹਾਂ ਗੁਰਲੀਨ ਕੌਰ. Bye bye.